Itel recently launched a new device, the Itel S17. The Itel S series is Itel's camera-centric lineup. The S17 was launched alongside with other tech devices like Itel TV, Itel earbuds, Itel car charger, Itel laptop, and some home appliances that Mercy Johnson loves so much.
My family likes to get hot. And thanks to the Itel electric stove, I can turn up the heat.
Itel is really going all in. Itel S series is usually Itel's flagship in quote. Itel itself is an entry-level phone manufacturer, so in the real sense, they don't have a flagship. But the S series is the series that usually gets the most attention, and you'll see this in the phone packaging and marketing. This phone costs 40,000 Nigerian Nairas or $70 US, and it has a 5000 mAh battery, 1 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage, and a camera system that can capture you with just a smile. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. This is my unboxing of the Itel S17, a basic entry-level phone intended to cater to the need of a particular set. Maybe I'm just trying to set your expectations about this device right, but you get the gist. Don't get your expectations too high. Subscribe if you're not and ring the bell to be notified whenever I post a new video like this one. First of all, let's unbox this new Itel device. It comes in a clean, vibrant red box, and this is probably the best packaging I've seen from Itel. On the back, we can see that this phone has a 12-month warranty with Cal Care, and it includes a free protective cover, which is a generous thing to do these days. The color we have here is deep ocean black. Opening the pack, we have an envelope housing the included free protective cover. The envelope also holds the SIM ejector pin. Next in the box is the phone itself, then a red earphone, a micro USB cable, and a 5-watt charger brick. And that's all we get out of the pack. Off the bat, I can already tell that this is one of the nicest designs or devices I've touched from Itel. It's decent and good looking in terms of build quality and overall design footprint. Nothing mind-blowing though, but coming from Itel, this is different and impressive. Something tells me that the other colors of this device will look even better. Although it's made from a polycarbonate plastic material that feels awesomely cheap, it is more stylish and shows a lot more class than other recent Itel devices. It has a large 6.6 inches IPS LCD display with a screen protector already pre-installed. The quality is what we expect from an entry-level device such as this. At the top edge of the screen is a water drop notch housing an 8-megapixel selfie camera. At the left edge are the SIM and memory card tray. By the right are the volume rockers and power button. The bottom features a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB 2.0 port, and a loudspeaker. On the top is nothing. On the rear is a camera mount housing 3 cameras and an LED flashlight. There is also a fingerprint sensor and an Itel branding down below. The Itel S17 comes with 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of ROM, which is not sufficient to run modern applications. I understand that the cost of this phone is to be kept low, but I feel it's not an excuse for putting 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of main storage in a smartphone in 2021. Anyway, Itel knows this and included what they call iBoost 1.0. Itel claims that the iBoost 1.0 feature is essential to enhance the performance of the 1 GB and 16 GB memories on here. That doesn't make sense right out of my head, and it doesn't also make sense in the actual performance of this device. Anyway, not like I was expecting it to be a beast. It's a sub $70 smartphone. This phone only exists because of people who must be connected and not for people who are already using a phone. Powering this device is a 1.3 GHz Unisoc processor, and that combined with the joint effort of the 1 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM forms a standing lagging committee. No 4G here. That's a disappointment, or maybe I had big expectations. Itel also says that the phone is dust and moist proof, but don't be tempted to use this underwater. You might be disappointed. Like you already know, this is a camera-centric device on a budget. The 8-megapixel on the rear and front takes decent photos for its class. There is a setting in the camera app that will allow you to take photos hands-free with just a smile. Videos can only get up to 720p, and these are pictures and videos I shot at Abuja using the Itel S17. The Itel S17 UL. To make this device a whole lot better and friendly, I would advise you to use only Google Go apps if they are available. Go apps are essential to optimize the performance of entry-level phones such as this Itel S17 by not demanding so much processor power or memory space. Like I usually say when I unbox entry sub $100 phones such as this, there is no point in fixating on the idea of having mind-blowing specs on this type of phone. If they get that kind of specs, then the price will escalate, making it nearly impossible for people who can't afford a proper phone to be connected. My only disappointment though is the lagging of this device due to the 1GB RAM and 16GB storage. Also, I wish this phone is 4G capable, which entails using a chip that supports 4G, which basically means more money. No pressures, this Itel S17 is here for a reason. Grandmas and grandpas will be really happy with this phone. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching this one. I will see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.